as you know, we have got two visions given by Honorable Prime Minister. Now, our task is to translate into reality of action. That is why, according to Maritime India Vision 2030, India is going to become one of the top 10 shipbuilding nations in the world by 2030. And by 2047, according to Amrit Kal Vision, we are going to become one of the top 5 shipbuilding nations in the world. To achieve that target, we are developing the ecosystem in the country under the visionary and dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. Many transformative, exemplary things happening in the country in the last 11 years. Even in this sector also, Ministry of Port Shipping Waterways, these lighthouses, though it was built long time back, but it was not taken care of. This Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, who has given direction to develop all the lighthouses and develop to that extent with modern facility that it becomes a most attractive tourist destination. So now we are achieving that target, and we are really thankful to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Because of him, everything is possible in the country, and everything is happening for the growth of everybody. Even whatever social justice he is giving to the all section of societies, and also the economic growth of the poorest of poor. So those are the example he has set during the last 11 years with his corrective policy, program, initiative and good governance. And his untiring effort for the overall development of the country is unique. And that is why our ministry is also getting a lot of inspiration because of his leadership, his direction and his all kind of, blessing. Thank you.
లోకల్ టు గ్లోబల్ న్యూస్ అట్ యువర్ ఫింగర్ టిప్స్. మీ చేతిలో ఒక ఆయుధం. డౌన్లోడ్ రా టీవీ యాప్. మీడియా లెజెండ్ రవి ప్రకాష్ ఈజ్ బ్యాక్.